Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a gypsy pizza. These are some of the ingredients I'm going to be using today, which is self-rising flour, Greek yogurt, and some seasonings, which is salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasonings. We're also going to be using some sweet Italian sausage, some slices of provolone cheese, some Genoa salami, some tomato sauce, and also some shredded mozzarella cheese. And we are also going to be using this little pizza pan here. But if you don't have a pizza pan, you can just use a cookie sheet, which is what I normally use, but I went ahead and bought a pizza pan for this video. And you're also going to need a rolling pin. So the first thing I'm doing here is just cleaning off my countertop. I'm just going to wipe it down, and then I'm going to be placing some parchment paper down to roll out my dough. So we're going to start off by making our dough, and all you're going to need is 2 cups of self-rising flour and 1 cup of Greek yogurt, just the plain Greek yogurt. And you're also going to need some extra flour for dusting the surface and your rolling pin. So mix together your self-rising flour and Greek yogurt with a spoon at first, and then I'm going to go ahead and just kind of knead the dough with my hands for a little bit. Also, don't forget to add a little bit of garlic powder to your dough mixture. Sprinkle some flour down on your surface or the parchment paper like I did, and also sprinkle some of the flour on your rolling pin, and then start rolling out your dough. Make sure to roll your dough about 1/4 inch thick. We are using self-rising flour, so this is going to rise a little bit, and you want this to be nice and thin. Now that I have my dough rolled out, I'm going to go ahead and open the can of tomato sauce, and I'm going to heat it up a little bit in a pan because I want to add some seasonings to it. So I'm adding garlic powder, onion powder, some Italian seasonings, and some sugar. I'm going to let that heat up for just a few minutes before adding it to my dough. So now I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil to a paper towel, and I am putting it on my pan, but you can also use cooking spray if you have some. Carefully pick up your dough and put it in your pan, and then press it to your desired shape. Now that I've got that in a perfect little circle in my pan, I'm going to go ahead and just spoon my tomato sauce all over the dough. Also, don't forget to brush a little bit of olive oil on your dough before you add the sauce. And now it's time to add your toppings. So the first thing I'm doing here is laying down the slices of provolone cheese, and then I'm going to go in with my shredded mozzarella, and I'm going to put the mozzarella everywhere that I didn't put the provolone cheese, but also on top of the provolone cheese. So we're just going to put that shredded mozzarella everywhere. So now I'm taking the Italian sausage and I'm just like crumbling it with my hands and just putting it all over the pizza. And now I'm taking my salami and I kind of rolled it up, and now I'm just slicing it with my kitchen scissors and putting that all over the pizza. I also went ahead and pre-cut up my vegetables just so I wouldn't be wasting too much time in the video, but I'm also going to be adding some thinly sliced tomatoes, some onions, and bell peppers. After you're done adding all of your toppings, you're also going to want to go in with some extra seasonings, and I used garlic powder and Italian seasonings. I also added a lot of black pepper. Now that my pizza is done and my oven has been preheated to 400, it's ready to go. Alright, so now that the pizza is in the oven, we're going to cook that for about 20 minutes, but make sure and keep an eye on it. And in the meantime, I'm going to clean up this mess.
When the moon hits your eyes like a gypsy pizza pie, that's amore.
So this is the finished product. This is what I showed you guys in my last Gypsy family recipe video. I'm going to give it a few minutes just to settle, and then I'm going to slice it up and we are going to enjoy it.
Now I can say this, you've never had a pizza like a Gypsy recipe pizza. And now I'm from up north, so I'm all too familiar with New York style pizza, and you can't get any better than that. But this is the perfect homemade pizza, and it can't be beat.
So we just finished eating, and now I'm just going to finish cleaning the rest of the kitchen. Just putting our plates in the dishwasher and wiping off the counter one more time. I sure hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you guys next time.